Hello, in this video we will demonstrate how to install the Transifex Native Django SDK on a Django project. So here we have a Django project and we can start this by using the run server command. Now, in order to install the Django SDK, we first have to download it. Most Python projects have a requirements.txt file where they list all the libraries that are necessary for their project to work. So now we download all the libraries in requirements.txt file, including the Transifex Native SDK. Next, we will go to our settings file. The first thing we will need to do is add the Transifex Native Django application to the installed apps of the Django project. We also have to add our Transifex token and our Transifex secret. We have already generated these tokens from the Transifex UI when we created the native project. Finally, we will modify our HTML template to use the Transifex Native SDK. Now we will fire up our server again. This is it. Thank you for watching.